Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. New week, new puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 13th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Medium Sudoku. We have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No additional. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. That means in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Yeah, the Friday edition I've already done. Saturday we have no additional, so I do the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. And what's the news of today? Well, last weekend there are a lot of protests in the world. Here, the climate change in Amsterdam, people are protesting. In London, protesting for pro-Palestina. In Madrid, they are protesting against the government. And in Tel Aviv, they want to cease a fire. Yes, a lot of protesting in the world. Yeah. All right. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 7439. 439. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 1 star puzzle. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 5, 9. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 and the 5. Alright. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in a column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 to 5, we have a 5 now in third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. We have a 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then 5, 5. Okay. We have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and look, we have 1 and 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1, 1, okay. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Then. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, and look, we have 3 in the first row. So no 3 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, and look, we have 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the third row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. We have a pair. The 1 and a 5 in this column. The 1 and a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. Look, we have 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright. Then need a 6, 2, and 7. One box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yeah, the 4 is missing. And we have a pair, I believe. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4. 6. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 5. Need a 2 here. Yeah, in this row, in the middle row, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2 because it's already reserved for the 1 and the 5. So the 2 in the middle row could be here, could be there. We see another 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 7 and 5, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 and 6, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Wow. 7 and a 6. 7 and a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Definitely faster than 15 minutes. We solve it again. Medium, well, I think it's a 0 stars puzzle because I'm faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Oh, apologies. We'll meet again in a minute with other puzzle, the regular Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.